What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna do unboxing on the Chicago Gangster assortment. This is the 2026 version. Had it last year. That was the best assortment I've ever had. It's a little different this year, so I figured I'd do an unboxing on it. I didn't get the offer for a case on this one, or else I probably would have got it. But I picked up a single. Pull the plastic up. Sebastian, pull the plastic up. Let's get into it. So up top, got a pack of 10-inch color bamboo sparkler, 8 pieces. Let's see if it's wood or if it's metal. What's up? Oh shit, I'm stupid. It says bamboo on there. But yeah, 8 pack of 10-inch sparklers. Got 2 boxes of these Loco snaps. I think these are the red crackers. Yeah, little red adult snaps. So I got 2 boxes, 20 pieces per box, so 40 adult snaps. Go to the little stuff first. Got 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 10-ball Roman candle with crackling. It's a shotgun brand. It's pretty cool. Crackling Roman candles. It's better than the just the pearls, you know. It's not bad. Got a box of these mini fountains, Pyro Diablo. They came in another assortment that I had this year. I forget what the hell it was. I think it was Party Zone 5 or something like that. So this one comes with 4 yellow, 2 purple. See if I can open it up. They're like fuses. It's kind of weird. I have a demo on them. But it's like got the match cracker type of deal where you could strike it, or you could just hit it with the torch and light it. They're not bad. They smell horrible when you burn them though. They don't smell like a regular firework, they smell nasty. Got 2 packs. Dominator jumping jacks. That's cool. I never get jumping jacks. I like them, but I really never buy them. Extra label. So 2 packs of these jumping jacks. I think that's it for the little stuff, so we'll get into the bigger stuff here. Sour pucker. Gold willow to blue. 7-shot. So it's like a little 100-gram cake, but it's got real breaks. Little 1-inch tubes, it looks like. It's got weight. It's pretty heavy. Definitely one that you want to put some bricks around though, because the show will tip over. Salty snacks. It's supposed to look like the Frito-Lay label. Pyro Predator 7-shot. There's the pictures. Green strobe with orange something, gold. Looks like it probably says. Donatello, Golden Bear brand. Crackling with green and red, 9-shot. So these all have real breaks so far, which is a plus. This is an 8-shot Kong. This one's heavy too. No performance. I feel like I had this one last year. I don't remember though. It's got real brakes. I know that for sure. 8-shot X Factor. This is Legend. I have a couple of these in my stash already. No performance, but I seen a video on it, and they hit. For their size, they hit. Dancing silver ball, 19 shots. So this is one of those little comet cakes, like a color pearl but bigger, you know. So this one is kind of mid. Oh, here's another little small snaps. So these are like poppets, the paper ones. How many come in the box? 50 pieces. I'll pull out the rest of the smaller stuff. Garden in Spring, 7-shot. Everybody knows. That's a shotgun brand. Desert at Night, 7-shot shotgun brand. They usually come in little round packages. But these are boxes. Same shit that they all do though. Fountain to the little tiny breaks. Always tip over. I had this one last year. And it looks like it would be a cake, but it's pretty much like another Garden in Spring or Desert at Night. 7-shot Paradise. See? Huge shots. That's funny. 100-shot Saturn. Hopefully this is a fast one, it's not a slow one. Heavy though. This is called South Park. Golden Bear brand. No performance. Oh, there's performance. I'm not gonna read all that shit. I'm gonna see if I can find a video on this because I'm interested to see what it does. Icy Junior snow cone fountains. I love these. I love these snow cone fountains. It's probably one of my favorite fountains out there, to be honest with you. Golden Bear. I've never had that brand. These are always pretty cool. 2 reds, 2 blues. Let's see. Sky Painter artillery shells. They look like fake ball shells. Oh yeah, they're definitely fake. It's all good though. Comes with 6 of those. 6 shotgun festival balls. Let's see if these are real, if they're fake. These ones are real. Oh yeah, these are 100% for sure these are real. So fake, real. Why do these look smaller? Are these smaller? I think these are smaller than the artillery shells. I usually just throw all the tubes away because I have a rack, but if that's smaller, then I'm gonna have to keep that tube. All right, let's get to the best ones. 16-shot Whiskey Business. What brand is that? Fuck, I'm blind, I can't even read. Ghost Shadow. Golden tail, silver strobe, green strobe, red strobe, crackle. Heavy cake, really heavy cake. A real 200 gram right there. One-armed bandit, 16 shots. Golden Bear brand. Performance or no? Oh yeah, it's right there. Golden tails, red glitter, green glitter, silver glitter, brocade with crackle. Real 200 grammer, heavy. Kiss. Rock and roll. 16 shots. No performance. Those are all real 200-gram cakes. Everybody knows these. It's a favorites, one of the favorites out there. Pyro Diablo Spinosaurus, 9-shot. Brocade crowns. Big ass fucking breaks. For a little tiny 200-gram, this is a 9-shot cake. These things hit probably bigger than the little ball shells that come in these assortments. Really good cakes. Some of the best 200-grammers out there, in my opinion. Then it also came with Retrosaurus. Red Blue Dahlia, Weeping Willow, Red Blue Dahlia, White Strobe, Red Blue Dahlia, Crackling. So yeah, that's the assortment. I guess I'll check on the top, see if there's anything like an LA Heist. Nope, nothing in there. I still think this is the best assortment out there. Last year's was a little bit better in my opinion, but it is what it is. Chicago Gangster.